Hello everyone who loves wooden construction, DIY, and on this channel, about the remodeling of an old folk house. Introducing, this time, the good points and charms of old folk houses. Here are some great things. Please enjoy the goodness of Japanese wooden architecture. Good points of old folk house. A unique home like no other. Current homes are built by homemakers. There are many similar houses everywhere. Some houses have the same floor plan as an apartment. In such a house, the old house itself, there is no individuality. It looks the same whether you look to the right or to the left. However, in the case of an old folk house, the house itself is unique. At that time, there were no housing manufacturers. Therefore, a local carpenter, building a house with just one arm. It was a natural world. The materials, especially wood, are not the same. Also, the work of a craftsman does not have the same job. Therefore, like existing industrial products, there is no unified style. In this way, you will have your own home. In addition, old folk houses still have old ones. In that respect, it has a uniqueness that is different from the others. Once you go, it will be an unforgettable house. The value that old things are good is, it was forgotten until recently in Japan. It has been resurrected recently. We will never forget it once we meet. I want to be a person. In Japan, there is only one song called Hana in the world. It's going to be the only house in the world like that song. For those who live, when it comes to an irreplaceable place, I think it's good. What did you think? There are many other problems that old folk houses have. Like a temple in Kyoto. The old wooden building is very nice. But everyone who lives, I am not training. For ordinary people to live, we must improve so that we can live comfortably. We will continue to upload videos related to old folk houses. Next time we look forward to